Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're doing our world famous guacamole. Okay, so our ingredients are going to be avocados, of course. Got some lime, got the juice from the lime. Chili peppers, we use the green ones though. We got some chopped cilantro, chopped garlic, chopped onions along with the green pepper, and some chopped tomatoes. So what we did was we took the seeds out of tomatoes because then it's not going to be as watery. We're going to add some cumin and some salt. Okay, so now we're going to use this nice little avocado tool here, or you can use a knife, but we're going to use this. So we just go like this. Nice little twist. Comes right out. Use this tool and get all this meat out of there. Go to the pit. Get that out of there right there. Oops. Don't want that in there. I want it in there. Get all this meat out of here. Like that. Add some lime to this. Lime juice, of course. And we just add everything else to it. Garlic. Onions. Then we're going to mix it all up together. Everything is mixed up. It's good to go. Here's the finished product. World famous guacamole.
I mean, I gotta try this. How this tastes like right here.